Really?
Those are cute. Okay, bye-bye. I'm going to throw out the shoes that wish they were a bag. You know what, Clinton? Enough. We're being too discerning.
We are. You're right.
No.
Do it again.
What do you mean no?
Do it again.
Look at this as letting go. We are going to re-educate you about cut, shape, fit, and style. And we're getting... Oh, God, these are heavy. Not all of them. Okay.
We gotta get you to New York City, but we need you in 3 outfits for the 360 mirror, so you can go through this.
Yeah, and pick 3 things that then we can talk about in New York. But you gotta get on that plane. Drink as much as you need to, but you gotta get there.
Okay.
All right?
Are you sure you can't catch a train?
It's gonna take too long.
Time for that. Right, baby, it's gonna be awesome.
Nope.
That was a good one.
I've seen this show a million times, and I've never seen them put everything
Weirdo.
into the pile. So I guess my clothes are really that bad. Suck.
Next, Candace learns there's nowhere to hide in the 360 mirror.
Look at that. It's like, how many straps do we need?